How to fix Telegram people nearby not showing. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how you can go ahead and fix your problem. Now, unfortunately, recently Telegram has removed the nearby people on their Telegram application. If we navigate through Google right here, we can then go ahead and see that yes, Telegram removed the people nearby feature in September 2024. Now, because they removed it due to bots and less than 0.1 users use this specific feature. And so, the feature was removed to improve moderation and replace it with a business nearby feature. The business nearby feature will highlight legitimate businesses that can display product catalogs and accept payments. And so if you are trying to fix this problem, unfortunately you can't because they have successfully removed people nearby feature. And so if this video has been helpful, leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.